Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make Oreo cupcakes. They are topped with a cream cheese frosting and they are just so delicious. So let's get started. In a big mixing bowl you are going to add in your butter, which needs to be at room temperature so it will be easier to fold, sugar, and you're going to mix this using a hand mixer for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are nice and fluffy. Now add in your eggs and vanilla extract and keep mixing until everything is well incorporated. Now you're going to add in your milk, baking powder, baking soda, and flour. And you're going to give it a last mix until your mixture is formed. Scrape the side of the bowl in between to make sure that everything is incorporated. Now our mixture is ready, so let's prepare our baking tin. I placed some paper cases on a 12 case muffin tin, and now I'm going to place an Oreo on the bottom of each case. Now I'm going to scoop my mixture on top of each Oreo. I'm going to use an ice cream scooper of about 1 tablespoon. You are going to bake your cupcakes for 20 minutes at 175 degrees Celsius. In a big mixing bowl you are going to add your butter, which needs to be at room temperature so it will be easier to cream, and cream cheese. You're going to mix these using a hand mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until everything is nice and fluffy. Now you're going to add in your vanilla extract and icing sugar. Mix this until everything is well incorporated. When everything is well incorporated, you're going to give it a last mix for about 3 minutes until your cream is nice and fluffy. It's time to decorate our cupcakes. Here I have my cream cheese frosting we prepared before, and I'm going to add in my Oreo cookie crumbs. I'm going to give it a mix until everything is incorporated. I'm going to place the mixture into a piping bag with a nice nozzle at the end. Now start piping your buttercream on your cupcakes. Our cupcakes are ready and you can serve them right away. You can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.